Good morning, ladies. I wanted to show you this card. However, this is a trial run because I've just received my video setup, special clamps that we purchased. And I'm trying to see how it works and how it'll work with the iPhone. So there you go. This is the Accordion Circle Card that I showed yourselves yesterday in still photos, and you can see the fold here. It pivots, so not only can you have it showing this way, but if you wanted to, you could actually change the orientation of the fold. So it can either be this way or that way, if that makes any sense. Okay. It's double-sided. As Judy noted, the feathers are actually loose, as you can see there, and they've been affixed with the hot glue. All right, and all these tabs are these tabs here link into the next circle, and that gives you the joining bit to fold. Took me a little bit to work out, how it would function properly with no hiccups, but it worked in the end, and I was quite pleased with it. Okay, hope that makes sense. Thanks for watching.